This is Nanmita from EDC KPI Cast. So today we are going to ask questions to freshers regarding entrepreneurship. Let's go.
काजळ लावणे आले मी आज असं नका बघू अहो येते मला लाज केला शृंगार आज घातलया साज दिसते मी भारी जणू अप्सरा मी खास नखरेवाली कुठे निघाली घालून साडी लाल गुलाबी पागल करते तुझे मोरनीशी चाल गुलाबी साडी आणि लाली लाल लाल दिसते मी भारी राजा फोटो माझा काढ गुलाबी साडी आणि लाली लाल लाल दिसते मी भारी राजा फोटो माझा काढ.
According to you, what do you mean by entrepreneurship?
To me, entrepreneurship is the ability of identifying the opportunities, take calculated risks, and innovate to create values, whether in the form of business, service, or social impact.
So, according to you, whom do you think will become an entrepreneur?
To my thinking, I believe business of two factors, profit and loss. A person who ability to handle the situation correctly and proper way to continue the business, they become an entrepreneur.
What qualities do you think an entrepreneur should have?
To me, the first and foremost quality an entrepreneur should have is creativity, obviously. So the person should be creative enough to develop their business, because nowadays there are so many competition that is going on. So creativity is the one thing that will enhance the business, and also they should be passionate about their business, and they should have a clear vision about the business, what they are going to do. And the person should always be ready to take risk, because risk is one of the main factor in the business. And there should be a curiosity to learn new things and grab whatever opportunities they are getting to develop their business.
Do you have any idea of starting a startup?
Yes, I have. I think starting a business of candy.
Okay, so you have created a candy shop. You have started a candy shop, and like if you want to brand your candy shop, like what kind of a catchy phrase would you use?
So it may look funnier.
Okay.
Like life is too short, so eat the candy first.
Okay, nice, and all the best for your candy business. What do you think about EDC?
EDC is nothing but Entrepreneur Development Cell, which provides guidance and support to the students who wish to start their own ventures.
So if you're planning to start a business, will you get financial support from your parents?
So no, I'll not get financial support from my business from my parents, because I want to start my business by my own. So nowadays there are so many platforms and banks that are ready to provide fund. So I'll use those platforms and I'll use my own savings for the startup.
Okay. What are the challenges faced by entrepreneurs?
Financial problem or any other presentation problem.
Okay, so if you are running a business and you're getting a risk, okay, that time will you ask financial support from your parents, or from where will you get financial support?
From some investor. By doing my presentation, I'll get the investment from an investor.
Okay, what do you guys mean by entrepreneurship?
So I think that entrepreneurship is starting a business idea, and even I have a business idea to start up my own business with yarns and knitting.
Okay, you have an idea of starting a entrepreneur, like you want to be an entrepreneur. Okay.
Idea to work with yarn.
Okay.
And wishing to. I already have a dream of being an accountant, and I also plan to start up my own business like crocheting, knitting purses, opening my online website.
Do you even knit?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, do you guys have an idea about EDC?
Entrepreneurship Development Cell.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Can you name a famous entrepreneur and what are they known for?
Elon Musk. He comes to our mind who the guy want to send us to Mars. It's very simple.
What do you think the common problem faced by women entrepreneurs?
Actually, the basic thing is social criticism, gender bias at the market, and the funding. These are the main common problems faced by the women entrepreneurship. When they are at the young age, their family doesn't support them, and when they get married and their husbands, their families doesn't support them. The family is the first thing. It's the main support for
problem,
them.
yeah.
And second thing is funding. For becoming a big entrepreneurs, we need funding.
In your opinion, how important is innovation of entrepreneurship?
Innovation is super important. It's just like adding sprinkles to the ice cream, which makes it's everything better. Thank you.
What do you know about EASY?
I think it's the place where people who start businesses would be like clubbed together, and it promotes starting business startups and entrepreneurship ideas. Everything they'll promote, and people would learn it.